We'll continue the previous video. That is, we have created the model, we have created few fields, and database is also created in the last video. So that is title, item names, and item number, date, something. So we have already seen that in the admin we have created the super user, and we have entered that what data we have entered, that also we have seen in the admin. Now this data how to retrieve in our template. So for that we need to first register this model. So here this is my model. In this model admin will be there. Come to admin, and here it is already admin is imported. So our database is going to be created based on our model. So from this model, we need to import here from our app is event-app dot models import. What is my class name in model? I have created as items. So here items. I have imported the class in this. Then you have to register here admin dot site dot register. What we need to register? We need to register these items. So here we have registered. Once it is registered, we need to retrieve the data which is stored in the database. So for that, just go to view, and in this view it is already in the HTML. So let me check this HTML. Index. So this index is our static file, so we'll go for this index. Yeah, here we can retrieve it. Okay, so that means in this view we'll write something else. So here def, and here I'm going to write another template I will use. So here data, I am going to write data1. I'll write request colon, then here return render request comma, and here we need to write that, what is that? So here I'll write data, or I'll write the database1.html. So this I have written. Here I'll create one more template. So this I'm going to give database1. Okay, so here already we have a base class. So that base class we are going to be copying. Simply I'm not going to write all this. Instead of writing and then again, we can just, okay. Now here I want to retrieve that data. To retrieve that data, already I have shown you in the shell how to retrieve. So I am taking one variable, that is d1. I am taking is equal to, what is my class name? Items dot objects dot all. it is going to be storing all this. Okay. Okay, sorry, actually this we should write, in our views. Template is ready. Now here we need to pass this one. So whatever in our items objects are there, that is going to be storing here. Now you can pass here, put a comma, and a dictionary you write down here. Here write down some data. So here I'm going to write dd colon and d1. So this I have given here. Now this is my database. So in this database, so whatever the data is there, it is going to be displayed. Simply I'm going to write here h1 tag, database display. So here I want to retrieve that. So take one div and one class. That class is nothing but our dd. So here I have taken dd only, I think. Yes, it is dd. Then come here dd. So inside this, let me take, so for I'm writing here some x in dd. Okay, percentile. Now we can write here div class is equal to this value, x value. In x value everything is there, so x value I have taken, that means all the items. Now here write down Jinja logic, that is x dot title. Okay, so let me check this one. Here okay, so it is giving the error cannot import name items from event module. Why it is not importing the event model only? It is there, no? Okay, in this it is not there. Where we have created, okay, here we have created, actually in a wrong app we have created all this. So let me do again. So I am going to copying all this in D app. So in the data app we have created the model. So let me use this one, this path, everything I'm going to. So D app view, in this view I'm copying. Okay, and then this is admin, in admin also my admin is going to be added here. In D app I have already added, no issues. Then URL path I should give. Here also I have written everything. So here I need to write what I need to write here. First of all, we will check out. In URL, we have given app.database. Okay, we should write here database/database. So actually here /database, when we have given the /database, in view it is going to be displaying this only. So in this URL we need to make a change. Index.html. So we'll make this as a comment. We'll make a comment, and here instead of index I will write what I have written here. To get database, data1. So I'm going to write here data1. So items is not defined. Item name is not defined. Okay. So here it is not defined. Okay. In this view, we have to import. So from just you can write it here, dot models import items. Okay. Still it is end block for end. Okay. Okay. So here I have used for, but where I have closed, I have not closed anywhere. So we need to close this for. So I have not closed my for. Let me close that. So where is my template? My template is database. So here this for has been started, this div, and before this div we need to close here. So here percentile end for save this, and again you run the program. Now let me database. Now see, Django and Python has been retrieved from the database. That means only the title. Then what about the other things? Let me see. What are the other names are there in our database? So here this is my model. In my model I name is there, I number is there, date is there. So all this, if you want to retrieve it, simply, where is our template? In this template, you write down, here you take H3 and close here, copy this and paste here. So first one is title, the second one is I name, third one is I think I number, and fourth one is I date, I think. Save this and refresh this. So all it has been retrieved, date, title, and the name, everything has been retrieved. So this is, we are retrieving data from the database, the backend data, whatever you have saved, that we have retrieved. So we are going to be closing here this session, and we'll continue in the next session. Thank you.